India mi ka channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lagasni.
Ka Nabon Women's Synod College Shillong Hynne ka Sngikha ka shitrik nailar arajar arpuar kalapinlong ka Rakhe Sngikha ka ba arpun riu ka balapinlong ha Dorbar Hall Mission Compound. Hakani Sngi u Reverend Kongwir u bade u Kongsan u laong baka kam khaimet ne ka human trafficking ka long kamat ka bakong santam ha ka jingpen le jingmut hakani ka juk bat bun kibriu ki shakhai shiki jaka ki bamla ru bantip u laong ru ba ka jingbat ya kapor ka long ka bakong san bat kani ka college kala dep banpin inuksa bat hadu bandadap arpun riu Snem jong ka jingya linti kamlong ka besuk. Layo ka dedication na Reverend P. Hynne u President ka governing body Nabon Women's Synod College bat lakren pediang dari Dr. E. L. Marmenyang bat ke jingkren na ka principal ka kong E. Sibla. Layo ban pendon buram ru ya kinong hikai ki bela palat arpusan Snem ban syakri hakani ka jaka puli bat kila don ru ki cultural program na ka NSS unit ka jingrai kerpang na ki khna school jong ka Nabon Women's College bat lapin kut ya ka program da ka jing ai khuble na imis ti malnyang.
For your blessings on me, there's a roof above me, a good place to sleep.
And I will urge and request you to continue dialogue on this important topic, and that, I want to mention here is human trafficking. I think the organizers of NSS unit and the staff, know very well. This is the area that needs so much concentration now in our state, here in Northeast India and as a country as a whole. I have not worked so much, but a little bit involved with these efforts with some of the NGOs here in the city, as was asked from Guwahati. So may I continue to support you, my dear staff and students, to deal with this subject which is quite unknown to others, unknown to the parents, to the society, to the families, but it is a subject which has been very, very critical. Only a few days back from Assam, lots.
Wonderful Marvin. He has shown, and for the countless blessings that the students have received through the college during these past 26 years of meritorious service to the cause of education. Nabon Women's Synod College began with a humble beginning on the 1st of August 1996. Thanks to the vision and foresight of the KJP Synod, which was the sponsoring body then, who had visualized the idea of setting up a college meant exclusively for imparting higher education for women in this part of the city. The vision is fast taking definite shape, and now this temple of learning has come to stay firmly.
Students alike. So those are the moments that we recollect, those past 25 years, and as I have mentioned, I'm very glad that the management and principal, you remember me. I feel very, very glad for your kind gesture. My prayer, my support, and my wish that Nabon Women's College will continue to move higher and higher